Hello. This is a new channel called A15. I'm Chris,
I'm Peter.
and we both you don't see our faces, but today we both react to RoastingKid1907 video. Join the roasters country now. Let's start.
Hello guys, I decided to create a new.
What's up with his voice? What's up with his voice?
He
He looks like he has like 5 chins.
he sounds like a Russian.
He's not.
Nation. It's called Roasting Nation, and this is.
He just said it's the roasting nation, but in the title he says join the roasters country. But what then is it?
My roasting nation all over here. This is all my roasting country. So if you want to join, you
Look at this guy.
need to comment.
Roast eggs.
What?
Roasted.
The fattest chin I've ever seen.
Yep.
In the comments. It means that Leafy can't join or any commentaries like no
Wait, what?
fuckers and pyrocynical. So yeah, sorry, you can't join. But I created an anthem and I decided to sing it for you. So let's do it. So I'll start right now. I love Minecraft.
What? He starts to sing about Minecraft.
What the fuck is he?
What? I don't understand. He says join the roasters country, okay? But he's not even roasting. But that's not about it. But he starts to sing about Minecraft.
You roast the mistakes.
I want to live in this world. It is better than mine. It is just a.
I didn't understand those words. It is better than mine. I don't understand.
Some made.
These are the best singing skills I've ever heard.
Yep.
Yes, that is really honest. These are the best singing skills I've ever heard.
Yep.
And there aren't any bees.
Oh no shit, Sherlock. There aren't any bees in Minecraft. Yeah, very but I didn't understand anything of that line, but he's a great singer. He doesn't need the great lines.
He uses mods.
I want to live in a Minecraft world. It's just awesome world. And I.
Yes, this Minecraft world is just awesome world. Of course. Not really.
Want to live there.
Had to point that out, but these are the greatest singing skills I've ever heard.
You want to punch trees? That your fist is gonna hurt.
That Peter guy, which is in my video, he's obviously a Minecraft fan.
And there aren't any bees, right?
He just said it again.
I want to live in a world of Minecraft. Minecraft.
Then put on your virtual reality glasses.
It is pretty cool.
I know your parents gave them to you. 'Cause you are very rich, obviously.
It is pretty cool. You should try this game because it's cool.
I don't honestly get what about Minecraft is so cool.
I don't know.
I want to live in a Minecraft world because it's just awesome. I live it every day because it's just awesome.
Oh, cool. You just said you want to live in a Minecraft world. But you just said, again, you live in there every day. I don't understand your English skills.
Some game, and I love it so much. So, yeah, that's the
why are you saying it on YouTube? Your love for Minecraft.
I hate Minecraft.
Time for now. This is pretty awesome music. So
Yeah. I agree with him. Just kidding.
yeah, this is very cool music.
He just ran out of breath. No wonder why he has 5 chains.
So yeah, thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. So
Maybe he's fat.
You don't see that, Peter? Okay. Fuck! The fuck?
His face.
He just lost like 3 pounds of weight for all this singing.
This is
Okay, my English skills are even worse than this kid's skills. But okay.
don't forget to comment.
He ran out of breath. He just sang the song. I don't understand. How is it possible? But he has 5 chins, so it's not really that impossible.
To join mine awesome country. Bye.
What? At first he said Roasters country, then he said Roaster Nation, then he says awesome country. I don't understand, but hell, thank you for watching the video, and peace out.
Peace out.